Reenact each other's O face.
Are you doing it?
Wait, what?
Are you doing it? Are you doing it?
Reenact each other's O face.
O?
Oh my.
O face?
Yeah.
Reenact what? O?
Like orgasm.
Okay.
Oh.
I can't.
That's so private. Absolutely not. Skip.
You know these are gonna be terrible. Who does this well?
Yeah. I'm about to come.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
It's way more sexier though. 100%.
For
it
sure.
has to be.
For
Oh
sure.
my
It is,
god.
It is.
Reenact each other's O face.
So she don't cuss, but when we get down, she be cussing. She be like, "Oh shit, fuck! I love the way you fuck me."
Reenact each other's O face.
You go
I
first.
wish we were on Truth or Drink. I need a drink for this
You
one.
need a drink for this one.
Okay.
That was it.
No.
Reenact each other's O face.
Usually our faces are inside. I usually see it from like right about here.
Oh my God. Sorry, Mom.
What do I look like actually?
Eyes closed, grunting. I'm coming.
Reenact each other's O face.
Your eyes are closed and you're like this.
He always like starts by pulling his eyes up and then he goes,
Have you two ever seen each other orgasm?
No.
Are you two having sex? Have you two ever masturbated next to each other?
Did you do that when I was sleeping or something?
Yes.
Reenact each other's O face.
I don't know what her face is.
His is like very elongated. And he like closes his eyes.
Yeah.
Reenact each other's orgasm face.
Dude, I honestly can't even look that ugly. So
You like grit your teeth, you go for it. A lot of looking around like you lost.
What do I look like? Like a monster.
Like I'm like taking a little poop, you know?
When you do it, you go,
Sublime! She does this thing where, you know, like those dolls that open their eyes and then like only one of them like opens and the other one's like sticking down like that.
You're usually just like smiling. You're just like, yippee.
Like, fuck you. Like, that's how I know she orgasms when she says fuck me.
Reenact each other's O face. Wait, shall we again?
Okay, stop.
One more time.
Don't do it again.
Reenact each other's O face.
I hate this.
We can keep that part private.
I'm not gonna answer this because my boss is watching.
Well, he doesn't have much of a reaction, so he's just.
I grunt once, it's over. That's it.
Yeah, you're pretty
Game
quiet.
Here,
Yeah.
any sound?
Not. It's more like a.
Reenact each other's O face.
Something like,
Like The Exorcist!
Reenact each other's O face.
I don't think I've made her orgasm.
I don't know if you know.
That's the problem, is I don't really know when she does it. She says she does it a lot. Well,
Not a lot.
His is weird, and I've told him this. Sometimes I don't know when he's finishing because he's very nonchalant. You're like,
what?
and then you like pause for a minute, and then all of a sudden you're done.
Reenact each other's O face. Give me a good impersonation.
You're like,
I'm gonna come.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you.
That was a good one.
Hey guys, this is Kelly from Cut. You can play these games at home. Did you know that? You'll make new memories, you'll learn things about people, maybe a hangover, maybe some trauma. Am I selling it or what? Am I selling it or what?